Okay, for 93, they want us to solve and graph, right? Okay, so A, we have 6x minus 1 is less than 11. Add 1 to both sides. 6x is less than 12. Divide by 6, x is less than 2. And on a number line, right, 0, 2, negative 2. Less than is an open circle going towards the left. B, let's do B. 1/3 x greater than or equal to 2. Multiply both sides by 3, right? Or divide by 1/3, same thing. We get x is greater than or equal to 6. And if I graph that, 0, negative 6, 6. Greater than or equal is a closed circle, and that's going to go to the right. Okay, the next one, C. Let's try to fit it here, right? So we have 9 times x minus 2 greater than 18. I'll divide both sides by 9, so I get x minus 2 is greater than 2. Add 2 to both sides. X is greater than 4. And our graph for that, 0, 4, negative 4. Greater than is an open circle, and that's going to go to the right. And the last one, let me make space. D, we have 5 minus x over 4 is less than or equal to 1/2. I'm going to multiply both sides by 4, right? By 4, right? So we get 20 minus x less than or equal to 2. Now I'll subtract 20, and I get negative x is less than or equal to negative 18. And divide both sides or multiply both sides by negative 1. Remember, when I do that, right, I'm going to multiply by negative 1 on both sides. I have to flip the inequality, so it becomes x is greater than or equal to 18. And when we graph 0, negative 18, 18, greater than or equal to is a closed circle, and that goes to the right.